Welcome to the channel. What if trading wasn't about guessing? What if it was utilizing the same tools that professionals use? And before we jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Let's get to the video. All right, guys, I'm super excited to bring to you something today that's going to get your investing game to the next level. What is that? It's Investios. So how does Investios work? Well, it's quite simple. You go ahead, open up a new account, and you're good to go. But why would you do that? There's so many different ones out there. Well, this is built as a full trading ecosystem. So you can see everything right here, not only investments, but VPS, prop, you have the whole thing. And it's very, very simple. You can see how this works with capital and even with trades. You simply go ahead, you can deposit crypto or whatever it is, but everything rides inside one platform. You don't have to jump tools. You don't have to have 6 accounts, different places. And it's good for traders who just want structure, speed, and control all in one place. And as you can see, it has all the information here from profit to managed assets to everything right here. Now, it runs on MetaTrader 4. It's trusted by traders worldwide, and you get clean order and execution with real-time price tracking. As we can see here, works smoothly, scalping, and it does that day trading and also swing trading as well. So you can do whatever types of trading you want. We can see here, trading instruments, the description, auto trading, how this works for different investors. You can invest in trading, and that's the thing I like. You can actually even take a look at what other traders are doing. So you have everything in one dashboard. Now, some amazing things here. We can see Investio's main website, that we have MetaTrader 4, so leading the exchange. It combines modern tech and a user-friendly interface, as we just saw. And the trading platform is for everything: Forex, crypto, commodities, gold, oil, indices. You pick it. Whatever you want to trade in, you can trade in. It can work on any device. It's optimized even for touch control, and you get high leverage as well, and even special promos with 100+ instruments available. So you can do it. So global access for an account for FX, BTC, energy, CF, indices. You pick it, you can trade it, and you can even pick between different account types depending on what you want. And talking about the deposit, we have multiple withdrawal and deposit options. As you saw, it's designed for international users. So location is no longer a barrier. You can even do copy trading on your favorite traders, and they have some awesome giveaways as well as news. And the fast processing makes it very, very quick. With active trading, it's easier. Plus, if you want to scale and you're looking to scale, this is good. Stable infrastructure for frequency traders, and they have 5+ years of development in the making. So I'm just going to keep it simple, guys. If you want to take your trading game to the next level, Investios is the way. So if you want access to serious trading tools without unnecessary complexity, register on Investios and use my referral link and explore the platform yourself. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next video.